Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to explain how the ElevenLabs Quota system works and what it means for your usage. ElevenLabs uses a credit-based system to measure how much text-to-speech content you can generate. Every plan comes with a set number of characters per month, and those characters are what you spend when you generate audio. For example, typing or pasting text into the text-to-speech tool and generating a voiceover will use up part of your monthly character quota. The exact number of characters you get depends on your subscription plan. Free users get a limited amount each month, while paid plans offer larger quotas for heavier usage. Once you use up your monthly character limit, you can either wait for the next monthly reset or upgrade your plan to get more characters. It's important to know that all text you process, including retries or edits, counts toward your quota. So if you regenerate the same script several times to tweak the voice style or emotion, each generation will use more characters. If you're using the ElevenLabs API, the same system applies. Every API request that generates audio consumes characters from your quota. So developers should keep that in mind when building automated workflows. You can always check your remaining quota. It's inside your ElevenLabs dashboard. It shows how many characters you've used and how many are left before the monthly reset. In short, your quota is basically your usage limit for generating AI voices each month. To make the most of it, try to finalize your script before generating, avoid unnecessary retries, and pick a plan that matches how much audio you need to create. And that's how the ElevenLabs Quota system works. If this video helped you understand it better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on using